All right, cool. All right, bro, I'm now recording, right? So when it comes to actually looking for a buy look on Web Slinger, the first thing you must look for are blue candlesticks above a blue cloud, right? Blue candlesticks above a blue cloud. Now I'm gonna bold this blue cloud so you guys will be able to see it. I'm not gonna do it too much because y'all won't be able to see the other confirmation. So that should be good enough right there. That should be good enough. Right? So I have to make sure the first confirmation, family, I have to make sure blue candles are above a blue cloud. That's my first confirmation. Blue candlesticks above a blue cloud. Drop a 1 if you get the first confirmation. Blue candlesticks above a blue cloud. Right? That's the first confirmation. The second confirmation, right? The second confirmation is, family, I have to have a blue arrow and the word buy. I have to have a blue arrow and the word buy under my candlestick. It has to be under my candlestick because that is basically like a parabolic SAR, right? Those little circles that you see sometimes on the market, right? That is actually showing you momentum is pushing upward. So that blue arrow has to be under the blue cloud, under the blue candlestick, excuse me, right? Actually pushing upward and says buy. That's your second confirmation. The word buy and a blue arrow, right? If you have the second confirmation, drop a 2. Right? It just has to be under, bro. It just has to be under. But if you understand the second confirmation, which is the word buy and a blue arrow, nothing hard at all, nothing complicated, right? Drop a 2, right? After that, family, right? This is your third confirmation. This is your third confirmation. Make sure you're paying attention. This is your third confirmation. You have to have this blue line right here, right? Hold on 1 sec. Let me make this thick. I got to make sure y'all seeing this. The chart don't want me to be great. There we go. Make it darker so y'all can see it. Right? This thick blue line right here, right? This is your third confirmation. Check this out, family. Check this out. When this candlestick right here breaks this thick blue line, I'm going to enter in on my trade. I'm going to enter in on my trade. When this blue candlestick breaks my thick blue line, which is the last one, the one that will be on the top, right? Once it breaks it, I'm going to enter in for a buy. I'm going to enter in for a buy. Now, let me show you something, right? Let me get my measuring tool just to show you. If you were to enter in when it broke, bam. If you were to actually take this trade for 3 minutes, hypothetically speaking, it went up all the way to, let me make sure that's the wick, right? To 22 binary points, right? You definitely cleared that trade. If you were actually to take it for 15 minutes, right? It went up to 45 and then closed out, right? 45 binary points. If you actually trade HFX and you understand binary points, I hope you guys understand it's the difference between pips and binary points. They move much faster than pips, right? At a higher rate, it's like you're at 0 and then it goes to 12 or 0 to 45, right? So you definitely cleared those trades. That's money right there in your face, right? That is the confirmations. If you have the third confirmation, drop a 3. If you understand the third confirmation, drop a 3. I got to make sure. I got to make sure. Don't let this go over your head. If you have a question, make sure you click the raise your hand and definitely come off the line so I can talk to you, right? So let me go to a sell. The sell is much simpler. It's pretty much the same thing as a buy, but except, I got you, bro. But except, of course, we're looking for red confirmations, right? So when it comes to a sell outlook on Web Slinger, right, we have to make sure our candlesticks are red, first and foremost. We all know that, right? So the first confirmation, we have to make sure we have red candlesticks under our red cloud. They have to be red candlesticks under the red cloud, right? This is your cloud. They have to be under, have to be. Why is that? Because the market is what? Supposed to be going down. We're predicting it to move down, decline, right? So family, if you got the first confirmation for that, drop a 1. I'm telling you, it's so much, it's so easy. It's so easy. It was nothing hard about it. Nothing hard about it. Now, I think y'all pretty much get the gist. So what I want to do is, I want to see who's teachable and coachable, because I see people cameras that's off. So I got to talk to the people who off, because that means I got to make sure you paying attention. Oh, I see you. I think her name Kiana. I just seen you turn your camera on. Go ahead and come on, unmute yourself, right? I just seen you. You quick with it, but I caught you. Come off the line.
Sir.
All right, cool. This is what I want you to do. I want you to tell me my second confirmation when I'm looking for a sell outlook.
The candlestick's supposed to be under the line. Is that what you asked me?
All right, so look. Remember on the buy position, I said my first confirmation is the blue candlesticks above the blue cloud. Then my second confirmation was the word buy and the red arrow. I mean the blue arrow. My bad, right? The buy and the blue arrow. So for a sale, I'm looking for what? My second confirmation. What am I looking for?
It should be above line.
I'm looking for the word sale and the red arrow.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
I'm sorry.
All right. She just gave y'all the second confirmation. The second confirmation for sale outlook is the word sale and the red arrow.
Oh my God.
You was nervous? Is you still unmuted? You good? You good?
To my teacher and you.
You said what now?
I said I was trying to listen to my teacher and you.
Oh, you in school. Okay, you dedicated. I love it. Hey, drop some fire in the chat for her. She in school and still trying to learn the skill set that's going to pay off for a lifetime. Come on, family. Stop playing with it. People say they don't got time and she just ran it up, right? So look, it has to have the word sale and the red arrow. It has to be on top of the red candlestick, because that means the momentum is pushing downward, right? If you understand that, right, I want the fire to stop and I want you to drop a 2, because that's the second confirmation for the sellers. That's the second confirmation. Now, I know a lot of you was probably like, yeah, that look hard, but now it's starting to make sense. But of course, it's going to take some reps in order to really just figure it out, right? And then the third confirmation, family, can anybody volunteer? Right? Because it's only really 3 confirmations, but of course, 3 or more is great. Does anybody want to volunteer?
I volunteer.
All right, talk to me, bro. This is what I want to ask you. What's my third confirmation when I'm looking for a sale outlook?
The candlestick break, the solid red line.
So you said the red candle to break this red line right here?
Yeah, that's the third confirmation, right?
All right. You asking me or you telling me?
No, I'm telling you.
All right, for sure then. What's your name, bro? Deshaun?
Deshaun, yeah.
Deshaun. Drop some ATMs for Deshaun, because he just got us paid. Because he just told us when to enter and make that bag. Bro, you at work? You working, bro? On the call?
Yeah.
Come on, family. There's so much dedication on this call right now. This man making a double bag. And this chat not breaking with ATMs? Come on, family. If it was y'all would be lit right now. So show the same love for Deshaun, because he at work while making another bag. Right? I appreciate you, King. Man just get us paid. He just got us paid. Let's see how much money he would have actually helped us make. Right? If I was risking $12, right, I would have got paid because Deshaun told me to enter in on that trade, and I cleared for 21 binary points. That means the market flunked. That means it dropped heavy, big drops. What Millie Mill said all the time, green bubbles. It left us. That's what that is. If you would have held it for 15 minutes, it dropped 57. It dropped 57. Do you add the currency strength? Let me see as an extra confirmation. Most definitely. You see that at the top. Yeah, I was definitely going to show y'all that too, right? So 57, if you was to hold it for 15 minutes. The reason I'm saying 15 minutes is because I'm on a 5-minute timer. Like I said, beginners, new traders, you want to take a longer time frame because you want to let the market breathe, because you're not that skilled to where you can just call it out and see that the market is actually going into your favor. A lot of people like to rush trades. You have to let the market breathe and let it come to you. Because when you don't let it come to you, guess what happens? Your prediction ends up being wrong, and you start losing trades, and you like, yo, I'm 0 for 3. Let me try to get my money back. Now you're trading with emotion. Guess what? Now you're losing more money. Then you lead an opportunity saying it don't work just because of you not being patient with the market. You got to let the market breathe. You got to let it come to you. So if you new, take your time. Don't rush the process. You're going to get paid. You're going to get paid. Right? So that's the part right there, family. I definitely have, let me see. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that PowerPoint? I have a PowerPoint, right? Going over every single thing about, I don't even know why this be up here. Let me see if I can hide this. I don't like when they do the notes. Let me see. Okay, well, I'm gonna just do it this way so don't confuse you. Right, I have a PowerPoint, right? That, appreciate you, boss. Right, I have a PowerPoint that actually goes over every single strategy there is just for Liberty. So if you definitely didn't understand, I'm definitely finna reiterate some more things. This call not finna be long at all, right? But definitely, guys, it will show you the buy outlook, the sell outlooks, right? As you can see, all the confirmations you need for every single strategy there is on Liberty, giving you exact outlooks, right? For pickpocket, for web slinger, sell outlooks. Everything is demonstrated to the T, right? To a 3rd grade to 5th grade level, right? I'm telling you, right? We just went over web slinger, as you guys can see, right? So I'm definitely going to shoot this to CT and Kurt, so they can actually give it to y'all if y'all do utilize it and need it, right? So let me go ahead and go back. So what I want to do is I want to quiz, because that's what I do with my org. I have to make sure people are actually understanding what's going on inside of this market. So I definitely got you, Zach. All right. So let me see. I see some cameras off. Let me see. Because I got to make sure you with it. All right. Because I know the people with the cameras on, they teach you uncoachable. That mean they understand it. Jarvis, come off the line, bro. Jarvis, come off the line. Give him a few seconds. All right, cool. You on there, bro? You good?
Yeah.
All right. You can talk to me, man?
Yeah.
All right, cool. This is what I want you to tell me, man. Tell me the first confirmation when it comes to actually having a buy outlook for web slinger. What's the first thing I'm looking for?
The arrow above the line.
The arrow above the line?
Yeah.
What arrow above the line? I got you, bro. Definitely make sure you're paying attention and taking notes, right? This is why I tell people to turn the cameras on, because we got to see who's actually taking this serious, right? So, Jarvis, make sure if you got somebody in this opportunity that's with you, bro, definitely get their notes from them, because you definitely got to make sure you have this, bro. All right, so somebody who actually has been paying attention, come off the line. We got to make sure we focus. Talk to me. Ken, I love it. What's good, bro?
First, you looking what's good, bro? You good?
Yes, sir. I'm blessed, man. How about you?
I'm good, bro. Same. Blessed always, man. But For buy first, you're looking for the blue candlesticks
All right. And what do the blue
above the
candlesticks
cloud. Above the cloud.
above the cloud? I love it. I love it. I love it. Man, drop some 18 yards for Ken because he just gave us our first confirmation. He's paying attention. Camille, come off the line. I see you was the first person to respond. Appreciate you, Ken.
No problem, bro. Appreciate you, man.
For sure, for sure.
What's up?
What's good? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. How are you?
I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. All right, so check this out, right? Ken just gave us our first confirmation. I want you to actually give us our second confirmation for the buy outlook on WebSlinger.
All right, we're gonna be looking for the blue arrow and the word buy.
We're looking for this right here.
Yeah,
All right. And that's telling us that we can actually get in, or this just our confirmation.
that's just our confirmation.
Got you. And what confirmation is that?
The second one.
For sure that. Drop some love for Camille, because she's paying attention. Drop some love for her. Right? That means she's gonna get paid from Liberty because she's actually paying attention. Right? Don't play yourself with this opportunity. Don't be in the opportunity and don't take advantage of the opportunity, family. Don't be in the opportunity and don't take advantage of the opportunity. You might as well be a prospect again. You're not a trader. Right? So, family, let me get somebody to come off the line and tell me about the third confirmation. Somebody tell me.
It's Cam. It is the third confirmation is when the candlesticks break.
When the candlesticks break what, boss?
Break the line.
Break this thick blue line or the little lines that you see in the middle?
The ones at the top, thick one.
The thick one at the top. I love it. You just got us paid, Cam. Show some love for Cam. Wait, hold on, Cam. Didn't you just get started yesterday, bro?
Yep.
Sheesh. Man, who enrolled this guy? If you on a call, you definitely got to run on your team because he definitely is paying attention to get paid. I don't know who enrolled him, right? But let them know Cam paying attention to Cam finna get paid today. Somebody said green bubbles. Oh, they said the GOAT. I heard about you, boss. I heard about you. Come talk to me, Sid.
What's up?
What's going on, man? So let me know, man. I want the first confirmation when we're actually looking for a sale outlook.
Shoot, so let's, we'll look for selling candlesticks above the red cloud. Below the red cloud.
For sure that you're definitely correct, right? Shout out to Sid, family. So go ahead and show him some love as well. We know he gonna get paid. Let's go. All right, let me see who else. Let me get a young lady. I hear a whole lot of men, but where the ladies at? I thought we needed more six-figure traders for the ladies too, huh? Who gonna show up and show out? Somebody said Zay. Zay, come off the line.
For sure.
For sure.
The next indication is a red arrow above the word sale. And the word sale, above the kettle.
And the word sale. So this right here, this is what we're looking for?
Yeah.
All right. Simple as that. Right? Show her some love. I'm telling you guys, it's nothing hard about this. You just gotta take the time to learn it. A lot of people is like, yo, that's hard. That looks confusing. It looks intimidating. Now that you understand it, you're like, oh, it's only 3 confirmations? 3. Yeah, only 3. And it gets us paid daily, weekly. Somebody just started in my organization 2 days ago. On her second day, she went 17-2 using this product right here in your face. Tripled her account. This is no game. Right? So let me get somebody else to come off the line and give me the last confirmation before I get into what I got to next. Any time zone. Web Slinger Simple Scalper is meant for consolidation. We control the market. When you know how to trade, time zones don't matter. I'm gonna let you know that now. Time zones don't matter when you know how to trade. When you know how to utilize a product, yeah, it's gonna come to you. Right. Let me get the last person to come off the line. Who bold? Who want to show me that they actually learning? All right, cool.
Hey, let me get on that, boy. Let me get on that, boss, man.
Okay, CT, talk to me, man.
For sure. The third confirmation is actually going to be your red candlestick breaking that red thick line below it. You see it?
Yes, sir. I see it. Not that I already had it marked, though. I forgot to delete it. It's cool, though. I knew that you knew. Right? So, man, y'all, man, leader, y'all mentor, y'all coach, some love. He did not only set this call up with him and Kurt, but he also is now learning this skill set too with y'all. He's a student right now, right? Learning the same skill set you learning. That's how you know he's serious about y'all success. Because he put y'all in front of this information, right? So show him some love. The chat definitely should be booming right now. It should not be stopping. It's 31 people. Y'all should definitely break some love for them. Definitely break some love. I should see money, hearts, fire, hands, whatever the case may be for him and Kurt. Because they running it up, right? Definitely stay under their wing, family. Stay under their wing. Now, this is what I do want to show you. Since you now understand how to automatically utilize this product, you know how to use the product. Now I have to show you exactly where the ins and outs come in, because you still got to remember that, because sometimes two people have some questions. All right, the people who have some questions, come off the line real quick. Let me see, because I can't. It's a lot of.
It was me. I had the question. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can. What's going on?
Can you explain why it works better in consolidation? Because I didn't know how to explain that to my people. Can you say that now again? Why it works better, like Simple Scalper and Web Slinger work better in consolidation. Can you explain why?
Because it's a momentum based product. Basically trying to find out, because do anybody in here watch Nez? If you watch Nez, he actually traps the market. If you can see on my screen, let me go right here. Let me go to a better one. I'm just gonna show you the demonstration of it. So dealing with Web Slinger, Nez, he actually, and it says has master notes. That means Nez actually wrote on our scanner. So if you didn't know, educators are able on Liberty, the educators are able to actually able to mark up your charts for you too. So I didn't do the red lines that you see, some of the stuff that you see, the red incline right here, right? Nez put that. I didn't, right? The educators actually wrote that. So what it is that Web Slinger is actually built for momentum. It finds out what zone it's in. That's how Nez actually uses his support and resistance line. He actually set those up and finds a zone that it actually respects. Because anytime that happens, notice when the candle goes from red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So a lot of times he's actually trading minute, he's doing a minute sales or a minute buy every time in the market. So this is just showing you, like I said, it's dealing with momentum. It's just basically trapping the market in a specific zone. That's why it's good for consolidation, or even if it's just a regular time frame, you'll be able to still trade those as well. So that's why it's good through consolidation, because it's actually easier to catch the zones of what it's respecting, as you can see right here, right? Trying to figure out if it's selling at that time or if it's buying, because remember on HFX binary options, you're actually trading the time and not a trend. Complete difference. So that's why they actually use it. Simple Scalper, really, I prefer if somebody actually starts to trade consolidation. Like Web Slinger, yeah, it be hidden, but I haven't mastered the 1 minute calls, 1 minute sales all on one pair yet, but I'm definitely am. So yeah, I hope that answered your question.
It did. Thank you.
No problem. Right. And she said it was another one. No, you definitely do not trade in the clouds. And that's definitely what I was going to be able to show you too. So that's good you said that. Did somebody else have a question? Destiny, if you have a question, come off the line. If you still have your question, come off the line. All right, come off the line, Cam.
No, I'm good.
Are you good? That's good. That's good. That's good.
I'm on my Liberty Academy, but all my stuff, I don't know if it was like that for y'all, but mine like kind of looks spaced out to where I can see it all in mini. You know how I can zoom in for it?
So at the bottom, you'll see a minus and a plus sign. It's to say zoom out and zoom in. You'll be able to zoom in that way and make sure you're on GBP USD, 5-minute candlestick, and an hour time chart. And then you'll be able to have my outlook too. And it should say on the alert panel, it should say our has master notes. Well, all of them really do, but you can just click on them and see. Okay, cool. Right.
I actually do have a question.
Talk to me.
So if you don't have any arrows or anything, then don't get in.
Yep, your confirmations has to line up. Now, when I that's actually a good question, right? Because I know a lot of people who actually still get in when it doesn't have a buy, the word buy. So let's go back to a blue cloud. That's an amazing question because a lot of times people are going to go through that. Let's see right here. It's not really pushing up like that, but it is. All right, so in this area, you do have to be careful sometimes when it comes to just continuously buying. So in this predicament right here, because we do have 3 candlesticks, right? If you're going in for a 3-minute, let me see, a drop of 1 if you trade 3-minute timers for HFX or anything less than 5. Do anybody, if anybody trades over 5, drop a 2. If anybody trade over 5 minutes. All right, nobody. Right. So in this case, Destiny, really, it would be much easier for you then. Because if we're actually doing a 5-minute candlestick, we wouldn't even have to worry about the next candle that's blue or red. Because if we're getting in on a 5-minute candlestick for 3 minutes, right? We never really just trade a 5-minute timer. Well, I know I don't. Mila Mills don't. A lot of students actually don't do a 5-minute timer for a 5-minute candlestick because it can reverse like completely from a buy. So if you're doing a 3-minute trade on a 5-minute candlestick, you would have actually cleared this trade already. You wouldn't have to worry about the next candlestick being blue or, without having the word buy or the blue arrow because you already cleared on the first set. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. Yep. So yeah, you definitely wouldn't have to worry about, going through any of this. Only if you trade above 5 minutes, that's when you'll actually see. Now, let's go to another one. Let's just say if you miss an entry because you're nervous. Let's just say you miss an entry. Let's say you miss an entry, right? Sometimes you can see this and you don't get in. And then the next one blue and you like, dang, I should have got in. And then you worry like, okay, I don't know if it's going to turn around. I don't know if it's going to be a red candlestick. Sometimes you will miss an entry. Now, if the product actually sees another setup, guess what's going to happen? They're going to send another buy. So the confirmations are going to come to you no matter what. Hold on, family. Somebody drawing on my screen. Let's get right. Right? So you really wouldn't have to worry about that. If you have a buy arrow right here and you miss the entries right here, most of the time they're actually going to send another buy out because the market is just going in the buyer's favor. So they're going to send them out. As you can see, some of them like right back to back. So if you would have missed this one, just wait until another confirmation lined up so you can get in. The time frame, well, chart frame, like I said, I do an hour because Ned said it's a stronger and higher confirmation. I do 5-minute candlesticks and I trade 3-minute trades, right? So that's what I do. I just simply do what the educator do. I don't change nothing about it. All right. So is there any more questions? All right, cool. Let me go ahead and show you guys one more thing, right? So when it comes to Web Slinger, they actually show you when the market is in complete consolidation. Now, if you didn't realize it, some of the times when I was scrolling, you probably seen the green lines. This is actually when the market is in consolidation. This zone right here. Anytime you see a green line, from here to here, the market was in consolidation, as you guys can see, right? You see that green. Let me zoom in if people on their phone, right? You see that green line tracing in the back. That's consolidation. That's when you allow the market to actually just do what it do. Don't even try to force anything. Even if you have signals to where they tell you to sell or they tell you to buy. Now, remember, I did say it's meant for consolidation. So that means it's still able to call out trades during that time frame, even when it's consolidating. But like I said, you want the market to go into your favor. If you're not actually a skilled trader to do this type of work, actually trade during consolidation, your best bet is to just follow the confirmations. Because if you're not able to trade 1 minute sales, 1 minute buys, and have that capital, right? You got to have that capital to trade like that anyway, or you'll just be blowing your account left to right, right? So if you're not able to actually just take these type of trades, this is consolidation. You let the market breathe. He said, yeah, I felt that, right? So you just let the market breathe. Anytime you see the green line, if you see that green line, then it's like red, you know, you definitely don't even want to look that way because that's going into consolidation, as you guys can see. Now, I do want, aside from the green line, I do want somebody to come off the line and tell me, like, why wouldn't they get in this sale? Why wouldn't they get in this sale? Because we have the word sell in the red arrow, and we have that red line that broke it. Now, some skilled traders would have took this trade. Nance probably would have took this trade and we would have cleared. But if you're a beginner, if you're just now learning this skill set, why would you not take this trade? It's in the cloud. Now, what color is the cloud? It's blue, right? Anytime we're selling, it has to be red. Everything has to be red. Anytime we're buying, it has to be what, family? If we're buying the market, what color are we looking for? Big blue, right? So that's very important. You got to make sure everything is color coded. All right. Now, this is what I want y'all to do. I want y'all to drop a 1 in the chat if you understood everything about this training right here. If you just understood everything about how to buy the market on a web slinger, drop a 1. If you understood how to sell in the market for a web slinger, drop a 1. The product's the GOAT, not me, bro. I'm just a tour guide. I just show people what it is, right? Now, family, like I just said, I do have a PowerPoint to where you guys can have access to this. You guys can have access to this. Let me go to web slinger. That's pickpocket, right? All 3 strategies updated and everything, typed out, color coded, whatever the case may be, right? You guys can have access to this to make sure you guys can go over it as many times as you want. And we also have trainings through it Monday through Thursday, every single day at 7:30 and 10:30. Why does the most recent part of the trade not have any indicators? Let's see what you're looking at. Come off the line and tell me what you see.
I was looking at GBP USD.
Mm-hmm.
Well, on mine, it doesn't have, like, on the most recent part of the trade, like the very beginning, it don't have no indicators saying to sell or buy.
You saying right here on my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
You saying you don't have no sell or buy right now?
Mm-hmm.
Because the market isn't formed yet. Like I said, Web Slinger is a market. It's gonna let the market breathe. Ned said all the time, let the market breathe. That's why sometimes majority of the people really don't get on his trades because he trade 15-minute trades sometimes. So right here, the market is in major consolidation. As you can see that green line, right? Sometimes you wouldn't even find a trend set because the moment you start buying, it will start selling. The moment you start selling, it can start buying. So if it's in just major consolidation, they wouldn't even try to call out a pair because, you know, it's really, the market is not in favor on either side. So they wouldn't even just try to force it. You know what I'm saying? They let the market come to them. So that's why you don't see any setups right now.
Got it.
Got you. All right. Is there any other questions? All right. Drop a 2 if you have a question. If you understand everything, drop a 1. Drop a 1, drop a 1, drop a 1. Let's see. Let me see. Let's go to, let's see. Hold on one sec. All right, I'm seeing a lot of 1s. All right, let me do something real quick for you guys. And go to Pocket Option because they have a demo account just to show you guys. How many people trade on Pocket Option? Drop a 1 if you trade on Pocket Option. Drop a 2 if you trade on VD Forex. Helen with the big bucks. Okay, Christian. I already know. IQ Sync users? We got some in here? Drop a 3. If that's you. Okay, I see you, Zay. I see you said. All right, cool. Race options. You know. Hey, I know it. All right, so cool. Let me share my screen. So right now I'm on Pocket Option for the demo account fact. Let me see. Let's just say we're going to EuroCAD. This is how I real deal utilize this product, right? So if I'm actually looking at, me trying to make some money, what I'm going to do is I'm actually looking for, let me set up my stuff because I said 3-minute timer, 5-minute candlestick, right? So I'm actually looking for pairs that actually pay out good. Now, as you can see right now, Pocket Option usually don't look this good. Most of the time we just have this section right here, 70%, a few of them above 80. But right now, nobody trades during this time. So this is probably when you can take advantage of the market before the educators. Imagine if you can learn this skill set by tonight, family, and you meet your daily growth rate. You meet your daily session rate, right? Whatever the case may be, whatever your trading plan is. Imagine if you could already accomplish that before you even get on a educator call. That'd be great. Because now everything else is just extra income, right? So let's just say you're okay because it's at 83, just because. All right. What I'm doing is I'm looking at the currency meter. I'm trying to see what's in my favor, right? I clicked on, if I'm not mistaken, I said Euro JPY. No, EuroCAD. EuroCAD. So euros, first one is weak. CAD. This is what I'm looking for, right? So it could be, moreover, the pair should be selling, right? Because it is first. How many people actually use the strength meter? How many people actually use the strength meter? Me. Got you. Like I said, right? It should be selling because, Euro is in the front. It's weaker than CAD. The less volume bars you had, the weaker the dollar is. And anything that's in the front is always in control, right? Don't let that fool you like the second pair ain't going to be able to take over, right? But let's see, EuroCAD, right? It really isn't calling out anything, but you can see right now, if you're a skilled trader, you actually can still do this setup, as you guys can see, right? It's calling out even during consolidation, even when the confirmations are not made. Now, overall, as you can see, it's predicting momentum for sellers to be in this area. So if you was new, you wouldn't even look at this because you want it to be in your favor. You want to make sure all your confirmations are lining up. Now, if I was actually to get in this trade, as you guys can see, I have a red candlestick that just formed, and that thing dropped. That thing dropped from here to there, right? This is how powerful this product is, right? Let's see. That's definitely gonna drop. What does the strength indicator do? It tells you the dollar currency, if it's weak or strong, if it's actually selling completely or buying, right? Hey, who enrolled that boy Cam? Because he's definitely a student right now. What I'm looking for is an area. Looking for a zone, a pullback. Right? And most of the times, family, if you're getting in for a 3-minute trade, you're looking for the setup on that first candlestick. If anything, if you're getting in for a 3-minute trade and you see like 3 minutes, 30 seconds, or like 3 minutes, anything less than that, you do not want to take that trade because it could be in your favor. It could go in your favor. And just because it's 3 minutes, exactly 3 minutes, it could flip and you're not even close. And then the sad part about it is it drops as soon as you close out because you wasn't patient. So that's what you really have to do. And if we was to take this trade, let's see, right, in that favor, we would have had about probably a minute left. And we took it at this drop. Maybe so. I should have took that just to show you guys. Let's look for another one real quick. Then I'm out y'all way. Right. I just want to show you that this product is very useful. Something that you really can take advantage of. Here's DJPY. Could be in consolidation. Those are pretty close. Let's see. Here's DJPY. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Consolidation right there. The green line. It's very easy to read things as soon as you look at the currency. It's nothing hard about it. Let me see. Euro USD. We should be looking good. Euro. That was close. Can we get anything? I'm trying to call out a pair real quick. Right? You definitely want to have discipline when you're trading, family. Right? You definitely do not want to force things. You definitely want to make sure you're sticking to, your trading plan. You definitely want to make sure you're sticking to what your coaches are telling you, so you can, overall that week or that day, you're in profit. You're in profit. So make sure you discipline. How many people are disciplined? How many, let's be honest with yourself. How many people are actually disciplined to the skill set? Actually applying the knowledge on a day-to-day basis that Kurt, that said, that Caleb, that Christian, right? And many more leaders that talk to you guys on a daily basis. Daily. Not just Monday, Wednesday, sometimes Friday, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and all over again. I didn't see a lot of meets. That's the issue. That's the issue. Right? He said just the beginning. I love it. AUD, CAD, AUD, CAD. All these pairs looking like they're close. AD, NZD. NZD. Let's see. That thing spiked up. Let's go in my favor, man. Get me right. And then you see they just called a buy as soon as I clicked on it. Let's just see. AUD, NZD. Let's just see. Let's see what this next candlestick is going to do. Completely just switch. Let's see what this does. Let me see my zones. Let's see. Okay. All right. Look, we're above the blue cloud. The word buy and the blue arrow. Candlestick just broke. Right? Let's just say if I would have got in, bam, for a buy, I'm on AUD NZD, right? I ain't tripping. Right? Let's just see if this pair will actually go in our favor. While we wait, let me click on something. Let's just see if this, I'll be looking at my playlist, y'all. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just focus on what I'm showing y'all. Don't worry about that. Let's just see. Let's see what the product will do for us. 3 minutes, right? So far, I've been in profit for a while. We're letting the market breathe. We're not nervous. We're just trying to see if the product can actually help us. AUD, NZD, right? 3 minutes. I'm gonna shake the room. I'm gonna shake the room. I'm gonna shake the room. How many we got? We got 1 minute, 30 seconds. What we got? 3 minutes and 11. Come on, big push-ups. Big push-ups. Give it to her. Let's go. Everything lined up for me. Let me see what I can do. Can I make a bag? Come on, I got a minute left. Y'all think I can make a bag? I mean, I've been in profit right now, but it's close. I'm a little nervous. Right, that's how y'all be. Y'all be like, I'm a little nervous. Y'all don't trust the product. Let's see if we can get a push-up. AUD, NCD. AUD is major. NCD is in the buy too. So this trade should go in our favor. Woo! Come on, family. Let's go! The product's gonna get you paid. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it.
Quit playing with his body, man.
Come on, family.
Let's go. Hey, man.
Hey.
I told y'all
Green Balls gang. Green Balls
Hey.
gang. Let's go.
I ain't
If
gonna
you ain't
lie.
just get content, you playing yourself.
Yeah, you didn't screen record that you played.
Come on, family. In
Oh
your
my
face.
God. Let me get out.
That
Let me
thing
get myself
shot
back
up.
on mute. Let me get back on mute, man. There's nothing
Trust
much more
the
to say.
process. Trust the process. The market will get you paid. My bad, I said the market. The products will get you paid. The thing, hey, look, I got in right here. It never came back to my entry. Now it was close, don't get me wrong, but it look, it's still, hey, it shot up. Just from saying blue cloud gotta be above the candle, gotta have the word buy, the blue arrow, it break my line. That's when I know. Now some of y'all was nervous, like, oh, he tripping, that thing close. Then broke out on you. Like, y'all can't trade like that. Trust the products, allow it to get you paid. If you trade with emotion, you're not gonna win in this. Trading is for big money people. So if you trying to make a bag, you trying to get that big bread, this for you. But if your mindset little, you're not gonna make no bag. So family, that's how you can utilize that. Now this is why I say trade 3 minutes in a 5-minute timer. Right? I got 40 seconds left. I already cleared. I don't have to wait no more. Yes, sir.
Hey, hold on, bro. Hold on.
Okay. There you go.
All right. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
I bet. I just want to, clarify, right? So when you said, so when it's like 3 minutes and 30 seconds left, you said you really don't want to hop in, right?
I wouldn't advise that because
Right.
that 36 seconds before you in for a solid 3 minutes.
Right.
It could really drop on you. Like right now, if I was to get in later, that trade probably could have dropped on me, and I would have lost because my entry wasn't on point, or I got in some seconds late. That's why, like, it's really not. It's dangerous because we're trading time and not trends. Remember that. So that's why you really want to make sure. And this trade is still pushing it.
Bet. Appreciate that, fam. I just want to clarify.
All right. So, family, is there any questions? That's really all I want to say. That's really all I want to do. Definitely want to give you guys value on that. So, That's the bread and butter right there. That's what we utilize. No problem. That's what we utilize on a daily basis inside of my organization, and we seriously get paid from this. This is no game, no joke. This is how you can actually grow your income tremendously, right? Tremendous. Use what you have access to. If you got Hourglass, use both of them, right? Find out which one works for you. If you like this and you want to find it, see if it, actually gets you paid, do that, right? I know it works for me though, so I'm gonna use this, right? So definitely, if you stay disciplined, right? So that's definitely what I want to share. Now, Kurt, CT, I don't know if y'all have anything going on at 7:30, but I know me and my organization, 7:30, we have a quick training between 15 to 20 minutes, and then at 8 o'clock, around 8:05ish, we actually trade live with Nez. So if you and your organization want to come through, definitely get paid with us. Y'all definitely welcome to do that. So it's definitely in y'all hands to call that shot.
Appreciate that, Pep.
Yes, sir. And then yeah, so I do want to give it back to them. Like I said, that's all I have. Definitely want to show my appreciation and gratitude, for actually them having me run this call for you guys and show you exactly what's going on inside of the market, what you can utilize and everything like that. Like I said, my name is Jaylon Austin. My IG is on my Zoom. If you definitely want to follow me, I'll give you a follow back. Definitely the ones who mentioned me, I'm definitely going to shoot you a follow too.
Hey, yeah, man, blow up the chest with fire emojis, man. Blow up the chest with fire emojis. Didn't mean to cut you off, but I just want to make sure that they showing that they're grateful and showing gratitude, bro. Because you didn't have to, get on this call, especially with people that's not a part of your organization. Teach them a strategy that can actually bring them millions of dollars, if we're being honest. So I just want to say appreciate you, family. I know I got to run a play with you at 5:30 today. Family, outside of our schedule and whatever schedule you got a part at 5:30, I will be running all the edification. Definitely a card that you do not want to miss. It's definitely a card that has helped me, get very close to that P2000 mark. All right, something that I've been utilizing from being in this business. All right, so it's definitely a card that y'all do not want to miss. Again, it's at 5:30 CST time. All right, yeah. Follow my boy on IG, repost, add him, whatever the case may be. He just taught y'all strategy and he just cleared in y'all face. I don't know what else y'all need. Them indicators seem pretty elite and pretty simple. We took notes on them. So yeah. Appreciate you, Jay. See you at 5:30, bro. We're gonna go up again. I'm gonna cook their head up a little bit, add my little spice to it. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Make sure everybody tapped in on the calls throughout the schedule today. And yeah, definitely we're gonna be on that trading session too with Nas. So yeah. So it's gonna be a good day today. We're gonna get paid. We're gonna learn how we get paid. We're gonna learn how to edify and talk about how we get paid.
Yes, sir.
I see Chairman